This is a tutorial video on how to import DNG files on your Adobe Lightroom. First of all, tap on that blue button to import photos. After that, click on the three dots over the right top corner, then select the raw option and unselect all the other given options. So what you are left with are raw or DNG files. Now import that photo directly into your folder. Once that photo is successfully imported, select that photo. Then tap on the three dots over the right top corner. Go to the copy setting option and copy the setting and directly apply that setting to your desired photo. To apply the setting, tap on the three dots again and go to paste setting option. As you can see, that setting has been applied to your desired photo. Now to make a preset out of this, what you have to do is click on that three dots again, then go to create preset option, then name the preset as you like. As here I am going to type moody dark tutorial on DNG, as I have created this preset in my last video. And you have to select a preset group. As here I am writing tutorial DNG, as I told you I have created this preset. Now select the preset option, go to your preset group. After that you can see your preset. To apply the preset, just tap on it and you can see the preset is being applied and it can be used for multiple photos. Just go to the preset option and select the preset that you have created and tap on it. Now as you can see, it's that easy. And thank you for watching. One last thing, do not try to sell or monetize the preset. You can use the given preset without giving credits, that's okay, but do not sell or monetize the given preset. Thank you.